Imagine this. You've just won a spot on MasterChef English, a cooking competition where you must write your winning recipe in English. But here's the problem most learners make: they write recipes like they're writing a story. First, I took the butter and I mixed it with the flour and then I added the eggs. Wrong. Native speakers use a completely different structure. Let's decode what actually works. First section. Ingredients. Here's what fails 90% of the time. Students write 2 cups of flour when professionals write 2 cups flour. See the difference? No, of. Also, they use numerals, not words. The format is number, measurement, ingredient, notes. Like this. 200 grams dark chocolate, finely chopped. Notice, measurements come before the ingredient, not chocolate dark 200 grams like some languages do. This order matters. This is where most learners crash and burn. The methods section is all about imperative verbs, the command form. You don't write, you should preheat the oven, or, the oven is preheated. You write, preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Direct. Bossy. Zero fluff. Common verbs. Mix. Combine. Fold. Whisk. Beat. Chop. Slice. Pour. Spread. Bake. Simmer. Each step starts with one action verb. That's it. One verb per step. It's like programming code. Each line does one thing. Let me show you the real thing. Notice the structure, not just the words. Ingredients list. Measurements first. No, of. Specific amounts. Method. Numbered steps. Starting with imperative verbs. Step 1. Cream the butter and sugar together until light and fluffy. Not the butter and sugar are creamed. Not you mix the butter. The reader should follow it like a program. Step 2. Fold in the chocolate chips carefully to avoid breaking them. See that? We even explain the why in short notes. This is professional recipe English. Here's the massive mistake your friends are making right now. Writing recipes in past tense or narrative style. I mixed the ingredients. Then I added the eggs. The mixture became thick. This is storytelling, not recipe writing. English recipes must be in imperative form. Mix the ingredients. Add the eggs. The mixture should become thick. See? No, no past tense. Just commands. This isn't rude, it's the universal language of cooking instructions. Also, avoid of in measurements, it makes you sound non-native instantly. 200 grams chocolate, not 200 grams of chocolate. Here's your exam-winning template. Use this exact format for the MEB LGS exam. Title, clear and specific. Serves how many? Cooking time. Difficulty level. Then your ingredients list with that number measurement ingredient format. Then numbered method steps starting with imperative verbs. Finish with storage instructions or serving suggestions. This structure is exactly what examiners want. It's not creative writing, it's technical writing. It's like documentation. And that's the point. You're giving instructions someone must follow correctly.